Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have a robot that I have never done before. It's the CarBot. Now, to me, it sure doesn't look much like a car. It looks more like the robot that Chewbacca scares in the first Star Wars movie. But this little guy has secrets, so this is
Randy Robot Garage.
Now, yes, it doesn't look like a car to me, but you can make it even look less like a car. If you pull this up, and then these arms can fold out like this, and then it spins like that. There's little doors that open up here for guns, I guess. One of the doors is broken. Now that's pretty scary, but that's nothing. It flips this door down. Attack mode in progress. Now you're in trouble. Yeah, so what a strange little robot. Let me see what I can do and get it working. Not sure where to start. And this head thing seems awful strange. There's the battery door. Interesting little tires and stuff. You've got some screws here. And there may be screws underneath these little red dots. Because there's definitely holes underneath there. I can feel it. Yeah, we got some very long screws back there. So the antenna goes up there. And there's some LEDs up in there. Well, that's definitely old school. Wonder what the relay circuit's for. Down here. Huh, well that's new. A little planetary gear system here. Look this one up. That one's just sliding. That's not connected. So, take these out. How about this one? Definitely goes down there. How they come out of there, I have no idea. Ah, they're glued in. There they are. Alright, so they would come out, but they're glued in. Actually, none of the gears seem like they're broken. And the only one that'd be close to breaking would be this little tin tooth right there. Nice. Well, they went to town on the caps with this thing. What's that? Cut that one. Yeah, just as a thought, this doesn't look all that played with. Hardly any scratches on this thing, and the grease is still on there, and it's all old and clumped up. Put a little lithium grease here. some here. Oh, 9 volt. Now then. Okay, I think it went in this direction. Wish I'd have paid more attention. And of course, all the 10-tooth gears I have are these long ones. And I guess it would work. I cut one down. I'll put a brand new 10-tooth on there. So you can see how the different directions make it move back and forth. That activates the different gears to make it either go forward or reverse. But so it looks like when it's spinning one direction, it's going to turn all of these in one direction. And then when the motor goes the other direction, it uses this little gear here to make one go the other direction. So that makes this one go the opposite direction of that one. That's why they're off kilter there. And so that little guy just sit in there like that. Let's just play with the 9 volt here. They're all turning that away. If I flip it around, yep, these still turn this way, those turn the other direction. That's pretty clever. It's time to put some batteries in. Okay. I can't see the middle one, so the middle one goes that way. Okay. That way, and then that way. Okay. This guy takes a 9 volt. Power that on. Power this on. Here's where our flashing LEDs are working too. Now it's down to this little door here, and I've been dreading this. This doesn't look fun at all. And if I remember correctly, it wasn't broke on the picture when I bought it. I think it happened in shipping. I have a piece of a guitar string here And that could act as the little shaft real easy. And I can't separate it here, so I gotta work with it just like this. I don't know, maybe if I start trimming it a little bit. Then I just have to build up her on the sides there. Well, that seemed hard. I have this 3D printing filament. I can't remember what it is. It's not ABS, it's not PLA. It's the really strong stuff that takes a lot of heat, so I'm going to use it. It's not pretty, but desperate times call for desperate measures. mean, it beats a stick in the eye. So there it is, the CarBot, and what a dumb name. And I don't know what I would name it, but it sure wouldn't be CarBot. However, it is a new robot for me. I have never done this one before, never seen it. Matter of fact, I've never seen it available until now. So I'm going to say this is actually a pretty rare one. This is the only one I've ever seen come up on eBay or any place like that. Well, it does work. You want to see it in action? Well, here it is. So if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this weird CarBot that I would totally name something else. Anyway, I want to thank these people. These are the people that are keeping me going. These are the people that make all this possible. So I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there's links and perks and stuff. Anyway, that was
Robot Garage.